He's snoring, man. Dude, what's up, dog?
Nothing.
Dude, how was your wedding?
I've not waited.
Lies.
Sick.
Andrew, wake up. That's Andrew McIntyre. He's a rascal. This guy snores. That guy does dishes, man. Well, that's not funny.